Hey guys, hey natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Shauna, and before I jump into the video, remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. I wonder what you're waiting for now. Hit that subscribe button. Remember to continue to share the video, guys, because we are this close to 100 subscribers, and I feel so good, you know. And I just want to thank you all. Remember to continue to blow the comment section and turn on your post notification bell and click on all so you won't miss a video. Okay, alright guys, so today, based on the title down below, I am going to be doing a story time, yeah, on this scar that I have in my forehead. I'm gonna zoom up. Sorry, I just had a biscuit. So I'm gonna zoom up so you all can see the scar that is in my forehead. I got a lot of bad assumptions, negative assumptions. I've been asked multiple questions, you know, what cut me on my forehead and all of that. So let's jump right into the video. Alright, so first thing first, I'm gonna be talking about the assumptions that have been made about the scar that is in my forehead. People were making assumption like a girl in our fight for the man's a girl cut her in her forehead. That was one. You would have person even making assumptions like say I'm a man cut me on my forehead because me I give it a cookie. I'm like, what? You know. And then questions have been asked would be like, what cut me on my forehead? That's the main question. What cut me on my forehead? You know, if it's a car accident. You have some people ask if it's a car accident, you know, and stuff like that. But I just want to make it clear. Yeah, I just want to make it clear, you know, where it all started from. In 2007, I was at Westmoreland spending some time with my grandmother, and on my way back to my mother, yes, in Betheltown, that's where it took place, Westmoreland, Jamaica. On my way back, only thing that I can remember is that I did something that I never ever done, you know. Whenever I go to country, I never do this before. When I was leaving, my father and my grandmother gave me money, and I took out my fare, and I had the rest of the money, and you know where I put it? I put it in my sack. Yeah, I put it in my sack. I don't know if it made a sense. Say, boy, I don't want to thief the money, so it stick to your there, so. But that's what I did, which I never did before. But anyways, I finally reached at Betheltown, you know, headed on my way back to Montego Bay. In the vehicle had 4 persons, including the driver, and I remember I was sitting behind the driver. Yeah, and the driver about 5 blocks away, the passenger that was in the front came out, and all I remember is that he came out of the car and he closed the door, and when he closed the door, I don't remember anything else. I was unconscious. Based on the information that my mother got from witnesses that were there on the scene, they said that police was chasing a car and he overtake around the corner. I think it was head on, right? So yeah, they said while I was on the scene, person pour alcohol in my forehead, and they saw me go like this. And then people started to tell the police that she's not dead, she's alive. Yeah, they rushed me to the hospital. When I reached at the hospital, I could identify that I was in the hospital. Yeah, you know, some person meet in car accident and they're unconscious, and when they gain consciousness, it's like them turn idiots. Yeah, no, I could identify that, okay, I'm here at the hospital. But guys, while at the hospital, when I arrived, my body, my energy, I was so tired. I don't know where the tiredness they come from, but I was so tired. Right, so Yeah, when I got up, I realized that my hand had a needle here and my head was wrapped with bandage. I was wearing a neck brace and I was out of school for 1 month. So yeah, and being a teenager at that time after the accident, it's the injury that I got was head injury. And if you're wondering or may have the question to ask, did it affect me, or whenever I may be stressed, yes, it used to affect my neck. My neck used to feel some type of way, so I have to keep that neck brace, and I couldn't touch my cut. I couldn't touch it. It was tender. Yeah, I couldn't touch it. Guys, you see when I'm gonna stitch it? It's the worst time of my life when they're stitching the foot. The amount of injection I got and the stitches, because when they stitch it when it was stale. It hurts. It really hurts. Yeah, it hurts. Yeah, so. And as I'm getting older, I don't know if it's gonna affect me further on, like when I reach, senior citizen age. But for now, presently, I'm not having any severe headache or neck pain. I'm doing good, and I just have to be grateful and thankful, because once there is life, there is hope, right? And I have been thinking about, from the moment I recognize that, okay, this scar in my forehead is there, yes. I have, from the time I went to clean it at the clinic, the nurse, guys, before we jump into that, when I went to the clinic to get my wound clean, oh my god, get it clean and get the stitches removed, that was another issue. It hurts getting those threads out of my forehead, because the blood cake up on the thread and all that. Oh, it really hurts. Talking about it, I just feel the pain. Yeah, it hurt bad. But when I went to the clinic and getting my cut clean, the nurse, informed me that in the future, if I want, I could do a minor surgery, and I have been thinking about it for quite some time, but I am going to do it. I have mentioned this to someone, that I'm gonna do a minor surgery on my forehead, and she was like, don't trouble it, leave it alone. The greatest thing is that you are here, so I'm kind of waving my mind, may I wave my mind, at the same time I want to do it. Yeah, and I also want your support as well, whether I should do it or should I wear it like that. So I want you all to comment down below and tell me if I should get the surgery done or just let it stay that way. So I need your support, so comment down below. Okay. When I got this scar, I had a low self-esteem. I didn't have any confidence. It's like, I wasn't beautiful, because the way how I used to comb my hair when I used to go to school, and even since I turned adult, I used to comb my hair, and I used to mostly wear hair combing hanging down in my face, because I didn't want the scar to show. And the reason for doing that is because everywhere I go, people like, your boyfriend cut you, I jump through window because your boyfriend can't get you with man. Those sort of negativity, yes, that's the reason why I started wearing my hair in my face, so. But as I get older and reach adulthood, I started gaining more confidence and accepting myself, like, hey, you are beautiful and wonderfully made. Yes, ignore the scar, you have life, and that's one of the greatest, right? Better you have a scar more than, but I am so grateful and thankful, for the fact that I am here today, explaining to you all what happened. I could be in the grave, every year. My mom, my parents, my brothers, my sisters, You know, every year maybe they'll be at my grave, you know, laying flowers, you know, and doing all sorts of thing, you know. So I guess it wasn't my time as it, you know, and I am really grateful that I am here, you know. I'm really, really grateful that I am here. I know somebody in the comments, you know, asked if I got insurance for my injury or if I got money for my injury. Guys, if I tell you the amount of money I got for my injury, you're gonna be like, nah, you're gonna be shocked, you know. But I'm not gonna tell you how much I got. I want you guys to comment down below and tell me how much I got. And since we are close to 100 subscribers, which is my first milestone, I am going to be giving away something. You get the question right. If you get the answer right, so the question, right, is how much money do you think I got for my injury? How much money you think I got for my injury? And later on, in another video, I will, you know, telling you all what you will get, what you will receive as your gift, you know. So just comment down below. So the question is, I am going to be pinning the question in the comment section, and if you get it correct, I'm going to be showing you your gift in another video. Yes, and there's like a little bump, there's like a little thing, there's like a bump, yeah. So the more I put on weight is the more it gets bigger, you know. But I'm gonna zoom up so you all can see the scar, which many of you may have seen throughout the videos that I've done, but I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the scar right here. So the cut is from all the way here, right? It's right there. Yeah, that's the scar, guys. And this is the little bump that I am referring to, that is right here. Yeah, so yeah, guys, that's the end of the story. Yeah, if you want to see me do more videos like this, story time, you know, whether you story time, you can just drop it in the comment, leave it in the comment if you want to see me do story time every now and then. And you can also put in your requests of what story time you would want me to talk about, what story you'd like to hear, and stuff like that. I'm thinking about another story time will be about relationship, guys. Yeah, I think, you know, that will help someone who may be going through something. So maybe another time I'll do a relationship story time with you all. But comment down below and tell me what story time you want me to do. Yeah, so guys, it's that time again where I have to say bye bye, and I hope everyone stay blessed, be safe. Until next time, big up on yourself. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and don't be afraid to turn up the comment section. And also remember to turn on your post notification bell and click on all so you won't miss a video. Oh guys, oh, this hairstyle, I did that video for it. Yeah, beloved it. Love that hairstyle there. It fits my face. Yeah. But anyway guys, bye guys.